is from DELL EMC, and his name is Nick Wallace. So let's give a big round of applause for DELL EMC and Nick.
Hi, thank you. Greetings, everyone. So yeah, my name is Nick Wallace, and I came here by way of Nashville, Tennessee. So the reason why I actually had the Nash DevOps logo up there is because I founded the Nash DevOps community. We meet monthly on a regular basis in Nashville for the last 2.5 years. We got over 500 members that are a part of the community. And also I'm one of the lead organizers for DevOpsDays Nashville that's taking place in mid-October. So thank you for having me here today. So I am a cloud platform specialist for DELL EMC, and the way that, is there actually a clicker? Oh, here we go. There. Okay, so the way that we view your tech stack today is your software and application should be at the top of the pyramid. That is the thing that is differentiating yourself in your industry vertical and in the competitive landscape that you are in today. But you're not able to run these software applications cleanly and safely, and deploy your software applications cleanly and safely without having optimized and modern infrastructure. So we view that as having a software-defined data center or infrastructure as a service framework, which is software-defined compute, network, and storage, in which you can pass up the controls of the provisioning of that environment through a software-defined control plane by way of APIs. Virtualization gives you the ability to create standardized and optimized environments as well to help you achieve the SLAs and SLOs that your business and organization require. But those can be provisioned out by way of manifests or orchestration engines. And then also we see platforms, specifically prescriptive or opinionated platforms, can help accelerate your software delivery pipelines and help you achieve CI/CD. Now, with the recent merger at DELL EMC, we also partner with Pivotal and VMware, and we also have another company called VirtuStream, in which it's a managed public cloud service provider. But we also focus on security too. We also have in our Dell Technologies umbrella RSA and SecureWorks. So when we see companies that want to embrace and embark on a digital transformation journey, we see that they need to first focus on their IT organization or IT workforce. And those that want to embrace this change need to realize that by being cloud native and embarking on a digital transformation journey, it's more than deploying your software to the cloud. The cloud shouldn't be necessarily a destination. It's more than that. That destination could be on premises or off premises, but more importantly, it's a new way of doing things, right? So you need to be able to transform your skill sets and your organization to be able to embrace these new ways of doing things. So by the way, we also see that there's a lot of trends that exist today. Microservices is changing the way in which a lot of our systems are architected, but also it's changing the way that organizations are delivering on smaller batched feature sets, right? And isolating those dependencies by way of APIs, and then having small cross-functional teams deliver on those features and services. But continuous delivery is accelerating the frequency in which we're releasing these small artifacts and small batches of software to some sort of cloud framework or IaaS framework. And the CI/CD pipelines can help you achieve that at faster pace. Containers is changing the way in which we package and distribute and ship these containers through these CI/CD pipelines. And DevOps is changing the ways in which a lot of IT organizations are collaborating, right? So the cross-functional teams and all these things that is dedicated to service a particular service or feature is the thing that's most valuable here is feedback loops. Build, measure, learn, and being able to have those communication structures throughout your entire organization, but also aligned to your business outcomes that you're trying to achieve. And the software that I was talking about in which you want to differentiate yourself with in that competitive landscape. So by embracing these new concepts, we're really trying to remove the friction across the entire supply chain and help you innovate faster. And so by the way, we also have a turnkey Pivotal Cloud Foundry solution called Native Hybrid Cloud that will eliminate the complexity and friction across the entire supply chain. So as you know today, when you want to ship new code, there's all these different elements that you need to take care of before it's shipped. Well, what Pivotal Cloud Foundry can do, and on our Native Hybrid Cloud solution, we can help you get from idea to production so much more faster, because all that integration work in the middleware stack and to be able to integrate into CI/CD pipelines and accelerate those CI/CD pipelines, we can enable you to provision out an environment that can help accelerate your delivery of software code. So I am over time, and one last thing that I wanted to mention as well is I just kind of wanted to change the perception of who we are with Dell Technologies today since the recent merger of Dell EMC. But also, they're kind enough to provide us with a laptop to give away. So tomorrow we're going to be raffling off this laptop to anyone that's interested. So if you want to register to receive the laptop, please provide us your contact details at our booth, and we'll do a random drawing tomorrow to give away this laptop. So thanks for your time.